beauty. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Amazing.
Oh my god, that's absolutely fantastic. Incredible. Oh man. I've never seen anything like it.
Run up with the balcony.
God, all that's got to be left is that big structure. Jeez.
It's a shame.
I've never got any.
It is a shame.
We got it. We got
Said
it.
balloted local people.
We got it all, Hen.
At least.
I think Thomas got it all as well, didn't you?
I've never done anything like that there.
Jeez.
I'm from the West, but I've been here in Edinburgh for 30 odd years, and
Nice one.
it's always here.
Aye.
So I'm saying that's like coming home in the flight, and you know where you are. I'm
That's
coming
what
home
she
to
says all
work.
the time.
Aye.
It's a landmark.
Every year I try to see my house. Every year I fail, but
When we came back for America, my youngest said, "Oh look, there's the power station behind."
Some story.
Bang on time. That is some stool that comes up out the way.
I'm going to go
Well,
home and
Jimmy,
watch
how
that
do you
on the
feel now?
computer over my living.
Aye.
it's amazing.
All that time going up and 2 seconds to come down.
Spectacular how he's done it. So
Very good,
he's never
very
felt it
good.
just came down on top of himself.